Guys, hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you're at. This is Brian back with a Cardano ADA token update. And we are going to get into them price targets and the support and resistance areas that we went over the other day after this breakout. This is on the 4-hour chart right here. You can see the RSIs down at the bottom there about reset, and we'll see what's going to happen next here. We'll put a Fibonacci on this and take a deeper dive into this in a second. Got a really great article here for you. It just came out today. Some stuff Charles Hoskinson said. But if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. Did our first 100 ADA giveaway yesterday, and Jessica Larson was the winner. And all you have to do to enter is just be a subscriber. We're going to do a giveaway the last day of the month, every month. And just a thank you to you guys. And so, if you would please hit that button. Let's get on to this. ADA. CEO Hoskinson predicts Cardano-powered nation states in the next decade. Okay, he went on to say that Charles Hoskinson predicts that nation states could adopt the smart contract platform within the next decade if anti-crypto forces do not interfere. In a video update on March 30th, Hoskinson shared with his 320,000 YouTube subscribers that nation states may one day rely on the Cardano ecosystem for various useful functions. Hoskinson envisions a future within 5 to 10 years where Cardano's technology can be used to run a nation state. For example, the platform could be employed for national identity systems with principles, payment systems with principles, or even central bank digital currencies that protect users. The co-founder and CEO said, "I can see a path within 5 to 10 years that you can run a nation state on technology like Cardano. I could see that happening. I can see a path where Cardano can be used to run a national identity system with principles, or a payment system with principles, or a CBDC with principles that protects you. I can see that path." However, Hoskinson warns that powerful forces are attempting to maintain a hierarchical power structure by impeding the progress of crypto and decentralization. He explains that a movement such as Operation Choke Point 2.0 and the globalist movement recognizes decentralized models like Cardano as threatening traditional power structures. Hoskinson says that's why people are attacking crypto so much these days. Absolutely, I totally agree with that. People, how do you say it? When they're set on their ways, I guess. The big shots in the society, and they don't like change. And I think crypto is definitely a threat to them, and a real threat. Cryptocurrency is something new. Decentralization, putting the power in the people's hands. If you can't jump on board with crypto, I don't know what else to really say. It gives the people a chance to to take control for once. So I love crypto, love it, Cardano, love ADA, love Charles Hoskinson. Great article here. So, and if you haven't, guys, I know with a lot of this hacking going on, and especially with Elgrand, I cover Algo, and I have a Ledger Nano X. There's a link in the description for this thing if you're interested in checking it out. I have one. I love it. My wife got it for me for Christmas a couple years ago. You can Bluetooth it with your phone. You can put up to 100 apps on it. You can put your NFTs on it, and up to 5,500 different tokens. So they're awesome. I love mine. Like I said, there's a link in there if you're interested to click on it and check them out. They have a lot of other products in there too. The Nano X, all kinds of stuff. So it helps the channel out if you just check it out. So thanks for listening to that. But let's move on here. Here's your top 100 crypto bubbles. Got a little bit more red out there today than green. I just did a video on CAS. Boy, that crypto is really going there. I did a thing just to tell you real quick with a calculator on there. If you would have got in when that thing first launched, you could have got a million tokens for $180, and if today that would be worth $37,000. So the opportunity is definitely in cryptocurrency. I think that's what makes the big shots fear the most. You know, people going away from traditional investments, and because there's so much opportunity in the crypto market. But here's your market cap. It's down 0.5% for the day. Volume's down 29.3%. It was up 80% yesterday in the green, so I expected that. Bitcoin dominance is flat, and we are down 2 ticks to a 61 today. We were at a 63 yesterday. Still in the green. Here's your biggest gainers and biggest losers, and you can see out there, kind of a flat day. No big gainers, no big losers. Well, Zilliqa, just did a video on it. It's doing really well, you know. But your trending coins are on the left. Now let's get back to this here. Okay, we were talking about this earlier in the week. All right, we had this descending resistance and you know, support line coming up here that was definitely valid support. Okay, this was coming to a pinch point. We broke out of that. You know, the first target I expect this thing to get to, not financial advice, folks, at all. I'm not a financial advisor, but would be the 42.5 cent to 45 cent range. I would expect you know, this 4-hour RSI down at the bottom is reset and looking beautiful. It's just about reset. Looks like it's just about ready to curve up. Yep, just starting to curve up down there. So that looks great. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is at the bottom. 12-hour is at the top. It can ride up there for a while. It's a 12-hour RSI. And the 8 is on its way down. And I thought it was looking like it was trying to curve there, but no. So let's put a Fibonacci on this thing and see what is going on here deeper inside here. Oh boy, that thing's getting really far up there on a fib. That's for sure. Yeah, it is up in the yeah, it's up past the 786. It blasted through that, so I still think we have some leg. I think we have a lot of leg room up, honestly. After we busted out of that resistance, guys, let me show you how long this thing. Let's put this on a daily chart and look how long this thing has been in that resistance. Look, the whole way back here, this thing started June of last year. You're talking 9 months. We've been in this, you know, resistance, 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 broke out. Okay, you don't just get a little 2-cent move when you break resistance from that long. Okay, you usually get a lot more of a move. All right, so I see a pretty decent move coming in this coin, and I have no doubt we could cool off here. We have major areas of support at 37 cents, 38.5 cents. This is resistance right now at 40.25, and we have that last. We would make a higher high if we take this resistance out at roughly 41.9. So keep an eye on them levels. We definitely want to hold that 36.9 if we do have a little bit of a pullback here. This is on the daily chart. So far today we have just bounced in between this support and resistance zone here at 40.403 and 0.387. All we did was bounce around in there for the day so far. But with that 4-hour RSI resetting, this thing is looking like it's priming up and ready to go. So I'll keep an eye on this the rest of the day. I expect a move out of Cardano today. So I will get back to you guys soon. Please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe. Would love to have you here every day, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. It means the world to me. So thanks again.